Cześć Dilek. Let's talk about pronouns today. Pronouns. Subject. Sub means substitute or replacement. Zik means phrase. So we use pronouns to substitute for certain words. Right? Let's take a look. And there are different types of pronouns. Today we're going to talk about personal pronouns. In English, we have I, you, he, she, you guys, y'all, or they in plural forms. And in Tibetan, there are corresponding pronouns. In the first big column here, I'm showing these words in Kasho, whereas in the second one, honorific. And the differences are Kasho, meaning you can, when you address a Kasho person or talk about a person in a casual manner. Honorific, you want to show respect toward that person. So you just don't use the casual pronouns, which is considered disrespectful. Typically, children toward parents or students toward teachers. In that relationship, students and children show respect to their teachers and the parents or adults. So obviously when I talk about myself, I'm not using the honorific or casual is the same. Nga, nga. That's the lowercase form as we talked about before. Nga, nga. Rang, rang, you, rang. Now the honorific form is kirang. Ki actually means you as well, but when you use it together, it becomes honorific. Ko, he, mo, she. Now, interestingly, when in the honorific form, both become kong, equality between male and female. Kong, kanara konga kong. Refers to, can be both she or he. Now let's look at the plural form. We have we. Now we does have an honorific form. So if you're talking with somebody that needs to be respected or deserves respecting, then when we talk about them and myself as we can use ngarangso, or in some cases use nganamso, where I come from in central Tibet. Nganso, ngatso, technically it's ngatso, but in colloquial form, often you hear nganso. There's a bit of a nasal sound on the nga there. Ngatso, ngaranso. Now I use the yao here because in English there isn't an appropriate pronoun form in the regular English. It's you for both singular and plural. However, in the southern US, people often use yao to refer to the pronoun version of you, which I think is a great invention. So I'm using that here. Kirang tso, yao, you all. See, you will notice a pattern here. Tso, tso means like a group. So when you add tso to it, suddenly I became we, you became y'all. This can also be us. Nganso it's not just the we, can also be us. For kotso, as you can see, ko means he. Now we're adding tso to it, then it becomes the plural form, they, kotso. And the honorific form is konamso. Let's look at an example here. And in Tibetan, in contrast to English, the subject comes first, object second, and then verb last. So in this example, the middle one, loptruk, means student. So in order to say I am a student, I say I student am. So in this case, nga luptruk yin. Yin means am. Yin can also mean are when it's used with we, but typically this goes with the pronoun of the first person. You, kirang rang luptruk je. You are a student. Je can be are, can also be is. In the case of ko luptruk je, he is a student. Mo luptruk je, she is a student. Nganso luptruk yin, we are students. Are, in this case, yin becomes are. Kirangso luptruk je, nganso luptruk kotso luptruk je, they are students. Right? In this case, je becomes are in the case of kotso. And here is the lowercase format. Again, nga luptruk yin, rang luptruk je, ko luptruk je, mo luptruk je, nganso luptruk yin, kiranso luptruk je, nganso luptruk kotso luptruk je. So sometimes though, je can be replaced with, can be replaced with yin, kotso luptruk yin, for example, kotso luptruk yin. In this case, when you say yin, it's almost like saying these are students and they are part of us. It's some sort of acknowledgement of being on the same side or belonging together. Let's go back. Look at it again. Nga, rang, ko, mo. Nga, kirang, kong, kong. Nganso, kiranso, kotso. Ngaranso, kinamso, konamso. Well, thank you for learning the personal pronouns today with me. Tristele.